Coming on the air with breaking news right now. We're getting word that former President Donald Trump, during a rally in Pennsylvania, you can see the video here. There were loud noises. It's unclear exactly what happened, but the Secret Service then rushed onto the stage, and you can see them right there, escorting the former president off the stage. Following this moment, there was some screams, some chaos in the crowd. Let's go ahead and bring in our Rachel Scott, who was there at this campaign event, and she's still on the ground right now. Rachel, what did you see? What did you hear?
Within minutes of former President Donald Trump taking the stage, we heard a series of popping sounds. Within seconds, it appeared that Secret Service then rushed up onto the stage as members of the crowd started screaming. Then the former president was taken down to the ground for several moments, and then all of a sudden he did emerge back up as Secret Service was escorting him off of the stage. He did raise his fist in acknowledgement that he appeared to be okay. We did hear the crowd cheer. The former president was then rushed into his vehicle and taken out of this rally. It was extremely tense and chaotic moments here as you had members of this crowd, Trump supporters that came here to see the president today. They rushed to the ground. They dove for cover. It was frantic. There was yelling. There was screaming. Ultimately, the situation appears to be cleared now. We have members of the crowd behind me that are now leaving, but the podium left disheveled behind me. The sign left tilted. The former president, though, did appear to be okay as he was escorted off of this stage very quickly and into that vehicle with.
And Rachel,